Okay, now I will show quickly how to create a surface, BREP, and stuff like this. So generally surface, it's of course the object with the area. The most simple one you can use by clicking here. It's a surface from 3 or 4 corners. I will do it on the top view. So it can be perfect square or rectangle, whatever. Now in the perspective view, generally you see uh, 2 extra lines to say that this is a surface. But if you would like to see the area, you have to change from wireframe to shaded. If you change to shaded, you generally see that this is exactly my object. If you click here on this to see the variants, you see that we have a surface from planar curves. To use that, I have to create a closed planar curve. So I will create some kind of the polyline with the, for example, opening inside. If I will now mark those 2 objects, so external and internal polyline, and click on my surface from planar curve, I will see my new surface. Okay, now a more advanced one, which will be the loft, and the one more which we will. Okay, let's start from the loft. So to create a loft, we need generally a couple of curves. I have already one here. If and I will create an extra one. So, for example, a curve like this. And now I would like to loft in between. So I would like to create a surface in between those 2. So I marked both of them. I go for the loft, and I see that I generally can create loft with different settings: normal, loose, tight. I will click OK, and generally with the normal one, and this will create, since the curves were flat, so the surface is also flat, but it doesn't have to be like this. So if I will create curve which is like this, and another one which will be like this, and also one extra more like this, and now I would like to make it in the Z direction, so I will mark this one, and I will type move, and I will move it up a little bit. That exactly the same I will create with the second one, and now I have 3 curves which are above each other. I will mark them and again create a loft. I see that generally it creates a very and now you can generally see what the different types of the loft options are doing. So if I will go for the straight sections and go for the preview, you will see that he will try to make a straight sections in between the crossing lines. If I will go for the loose, I see that generally if some of the curves are much away from the curve, it will just forget about it. Okay, I will click OK, and I have my surface. Now, this is one thing. Of course, very easy way to create a surface is also extruding. I'm grabbing the line or polyline, and I can extrude it in the direction which I want.